Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Assistive Touch so the screen can emulate the Home button. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and turn on Assistive Touch. Once done, assign Single Tap to Home so a single touch acts like the button. Make sure Double Tap and Long Press are set how you like. This gives you immediate, software-based home functionality and avoids hardware fixes. It's fast, reversible, and works because iOS maps gestures to system actions. Now customize the look and behavior so the virtual home is easy to use. Open the Assistive Touch menu, choose Customize Top-Level Menu, and replace a slot with Home. You can also add multiple home entries for different gestures. Adjust the idle opacity and icon size to sit unobtrusively, but remain tappable. Then drag the floating button to a corner or edge you can reach with your thumb. This reduces false taps and makes daily navigation much smoother. Finish by testing the virtual home across apps. Press the floating button for single tap, try double tap, and long press to confirm each action triggers home behavior. If the button lags or disappears, restart your iPhone. This often restores Assistive Touch quickly. Make sure accessibility settings aren't restricted by profiles or screen time. If problems persist despite restarting and updating iOS, back up your data and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.